If you're interested in becoming a homeowner in Pripyat, and you don't feel like waiting 20,000 years, you may want to get familiarized with a thing called radiation. When the nucleus of one atom becomes unstable, it will eventually try to decay into a more stable form. We call this unstable form a radionuclide. This decay is called radioactive decay. It means that either energy or a subatomic particle is released, which is what we call radiation. Let's take a closer look into what radiation looks like. There are different types of nuclear decay reactions, but I want to take a look into the most common ones, which are alpha decay, beta decay, and gamma emission. Alpha decay looks like this. A parent radionuclide decays into a daughter nuclide with 2 less protons and 2 less neutrons, and an alpha particle, which contains 2 neutrons and 2 protons. The risk from alpha particles depends on how you're exposed to it. Outside of the body, they don't have enough energy to penetrate your skin, but once it's inside you, it gets risky. Let's move on to beta particles. In this type of decay, an unstable neutron is converted into a proton, and a high energy electron called a beta particle is emitted. This means that under beta decay, our daughter atom will gain 1 proton and it will release 1 beta particle. Beta particles are capable of penetrating the skin layer, meaning it can burn your skin, causing beta burns, and as with alpha, it's hazardous once inside the body. Let's look at gamma emissions. Many nuclear decay reactions like alpha and beta decay produce atoms in excited nuclear states. In order for them to become more stable, they need to release energy in the form of a photon. These high energy photons are called gamma rays, and they have high penetrating power. Gamma rays have the capacity to go straight to your body, and as they pass, they damage your tissue and even worse, your DNA. Exposure to high levels of gamma radiation causes immediate damage to your cells. Even low levels increase your chances of cancer. In 1986 near Pripyat, a meltdown in the core of the Chernobyl nuclear power plant resulted in an explosion that released radioactive contamination. Even today, the radioisotopes still linger. So if you're willing to get second-degree burns, thyroid disease, or even cancer, go ahead and put that down payment. Or maybe just get a roommate in your hometown.